In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up like this, where we will collect the email and send users to the next page. So to create the pop-ups, just open your system to the dashboard, click on websites, click on sales funnels. Now open the funnel where you want to create the pop-ups and click edit page. On this page, when someone click the button, the pop-up will appear. So to create the pop-ups, click pop-ups. Here you can see I already have one pop-up created. To create a new one, click pop-ups, click add pop-up, and the pop-up will be appeared over here. Now we just need to customize the pop-up. To customize it, click edit pop-up settings, show close button on, and add a red color to this close button icon. And open pop-up automatically make it off. Make the width into 603 pixel and add 30 pixel padding from the top. Make the border solid color into red color and make it full border, and the size is 3 pixel. Make the shadow into soft shadow and add 6 pixel rounded corner from all the sides. Now click the text, double click here and paste your text. Now set the font size to 32 pixel and make the line height into 45 pixel. And from the font type, I will choose custom fonts and I will choose Sora Bold. Next, click the button, make it submit form and make it to the next step, because we want to redirect to the next step, which is the order form. And if you want to open a custom link, then you can use these ones. And if you want no redirections, then you can use the no redirection options. But I want to redirect to the next page, so I will click here to the next step. And I will just make the double opt-in turn off for now. Now add 15 pixel margin from the top and change the button text. Now set the font size into 16 pixel and make the line height into 23 pixel. I will choose custom font and I will choose Sora Bold. Now remove the subtext. Now let's change the button background color. So click over here and make it solid to gradient. Click over here and paste your color code over here. So I will just double click here and paste my first color code. Then click over here and paste the second color code over here. Then the background will be changed. Now add 15 pixel margin from the top and 10 pixel on the bottom. And on the left and right, make it 40 pixel. Make the rounded corner 10 pixel from all of the sides. Scroll down below and remove the border solid color. Once everything is done, click Save Changes. Now click pop-ups. Now click outside here. Now click the button, make it show pop-up, and from here select the pop-up that we just created. So click over here and select the pop-up number 2. So just select the pop-ups and click Save Changes. Now to see it, click Preview. Now scroll down below, and if click over here, then the pop-up will be appeared. And if someone click over here, then the pop-up will be closed. And if someone fill the form and click here, then they will redirect to the next page, which is the order page. Now to check it, I will add this demo email and click here, get access to the entire course. See, currently it's not working because we didn't create the next page yet. So to solve it, I will just come over here. I will click exit. If I just click here add step, and this is the order page, order form. And from here, if I choose order form and then click save and select this template for now, then click view final step, scroll down below. If we click over here and if we enter our email and click here get access to the entire course, then see this time it will be work successfully. It's redirect to the next page, which is the order form that we just created for a demo purposes. Now to view all the leads, simply click here leads, and here you can see all the leads that you collected from the pop-up. So that's it for this particular video. By following these simple steps, you can create a custom pop-up like this in system.io. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.